Hello, a quick one. My friend Steven from the Discord community gave some really good advice, and I'm gonna try to paraphrase it. But it was like, so there was an experiment done with rats, and they kind of looked at their behavior. I don't know what the context was exactly, but it's about kind of a comparison with humans, and then it's really interesting if you put it into the perspective of people on like self-improvement or like in self-help. Some of us, and I definitely fell into this trap, some of us like self-improve, we do these habits, we're like, oh, we're journaling, we're meditating, we're working out, we're uh yeah, taking care of our appearance, like reading books and all that. But all we do is stay inside. All we do all we do is, yeah, self-improve, stay inside, don't go out into the like real world almost. And that's like the equivalent of like the little rat that, I mean, Steven talked about this, the little rat that is constantly grooming itself in his like in his little den, and then there, yeah, it's not leaving there, it's just the whole day grooming itself, and that's it. Doesn't go out there, do stuff, or socialize, just always grooming itself, staying put in its den. And, you know, what do you what do you get out of that? what exactly what exactly do you get out of it? I mean, by, okay, you can self-improve all you want, but go outside with the knowledge, with the self-improvement, you know? Like, it's stupid if you're just gonna sit inside the whole day, and I mean, for a prolonged period of time. It's just, now you're basically just, I don't know, coping. Yeah, it isn't all that complicated, isn't all that serious. I mean, just, you know, self-improve, but then go out into the real world. Go go do something, go socialize, because no one gains something from the self-improvement, not even yourself really, if you don't go out there in like in real life. I mean, of course you do gain something as in like knowledge, and you can do stuff online, but you know, real is life is shared, you know? Like, you have to go out and about. Yeah. So, something to think about. Are you like the little rat trying to, or like the little rat grooming itself the whole day, like not going outside for a long time, just coping with, oh, I'm self-improving the whole time, and not going into the real world? If you're like that, change it. I mean, I was kind of just self-improving and like, oh, I'm mostly inside the house, and yeah, that's not that's not doing a lot, you know? I can self-improve all I want, but I gotta be I gotta be out there in the real world. So that's just something I wanted to share and make you guys reflect on. If you like have a similar experience, drop it in the comments below. I'm curious who else had this, like I say, yeah, experience, and change it, you know? Just change it. Self-improve and go out there into the real world, you know? And I'm not talking about the real world online platform. I mean, go outside. I don't know. Socialize with people. Like, put your knowledge out there, put yourself out there. And then self-improvement is more meaningful, because you're putting it into the world as well. That was it. Just a short one. I hope you guys picked up something about, I mean, yeah, picked up some knowledge about this, and I hope you do something with it. Well, have a good day, have a good week, stay blessed, and yeah, see you in the next video. Goodbye.